Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix a problem on TikTok showing your account has been temporarily suspended. So let's go started. For that, let's get into TikTok app and we won't be able to see any of these videos and it shows that account has been temporarily suspended. Simply click on profile icon in the bottom right and you'll be able to see the blank space here and your account will not be visible here, and simply click on this three line icon over here on the top right and click on settings and privacy option. Click on report a problem and we need to simply scroll down and we won't be able to see all of the options here as well. Now simply click on chat with us option, or you might see the reporting option as well, and click on any of that and simply we get into this TikTok help text. Now here we need to write our problem that our account has been temporarily suspended and we want it fixed. Once you write your problem properly, simply click on the send message over here and your message will finally be sent and it will be addressed by TikTok help text. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.